This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Conditionals can be conditionals and if. Don't let that word scare you. If, that's all they mean. A condition. If this happens, else, that's condition. Can be helpful, even when you know what exactly is in each spot. Collect all of the nectar and make all the honey. Yeah, so it's going to be helpful here because they only want us to use 6 blocks. So even being able to see it, I'm just going to throw down code and be wrong, or use too much, but watch. So make honey, sure. Make get nectar because it's a flower. That 3rd spot, I want to make honey. The 4th spot is nectar because it's a flower. Notice it's grumpy. I used too many of these. Next up is, I think, another get nectar. Just kind of guessing here. I'm probably wrong. Let's do this. Boom. Now I'm used way too many blocks. So this works, but I've used way too many blocks. And if I were to keep going, I would need this again. Now, repeats are great for patterns. So let's look for one. Move forward, make honey. Okay. Move forward, get nectar. Okay. Move forward, make honey. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, get nectar. Move forward, make honey. And then move forward, make honey. Well, wait a minute though. Does this randomize? Nope, we know. So why would I say this 3 times? You wouldn't. Don't repeat yourself in the codes. Kill, kill, grab. And now I can put a 3 here. Pacha. Pacha. Okay? And then after that runs, that very last make honey, I could put it here. But I still have too much code. Oh. Just kidding. Twice. And then I need to not make honey, right? Because I have a flower. So now I'm going to need to get nectar. I would move forward again and get nectar. I would move forward again and get honey. Now, there's not much of a pattern here. So that's a huge problem. What we can do, though, is what do I have to do every single time? I know I'm going to have to move forward, right? And like I said, I could just throw that into a repeat and say 7. But I need to know if I have to get honey or nectar. Well, what if I use an if-else instead of all of that junk? If I'm out of flower, just like we've done for all of these, and notice I'm only going to use each of these once. So if I'm out of flower, I'll get nectar. Else, I'll make honey. And as long as this is true, if I am out of flower, I do get the nectar. I would never make the honey. Only one of these can run. So let me show you. Step, yep, move forward. I'm going to do this 7 times. Okay, now I check. Hey, B, are you at a flower? This is false, right? I'm at honeycomb. So this is false. You're not at a flower. So it won't run get nectar. I can't. I'm not at a flower. But then I have to run make honey. Boom. Make honey runs. Hit the bottom. Back to the top. Another time. Move forward. Now I got to check if I'm at a flower. This is true, right? I am at a flower. So this is true. So you're at a flower. Do get nectar. Hits the bottom. Goes back to the top and moves forward. I don't run the else because I got nectar. Now move forward. If I'm at a flower. True. So... or false, I'm at honeycomb. Since this is false, I don't run get nectar. I do then run honeycomb, or make honey, hit the bottom, back to the top. Let's see. These conditional statements, also known if statements, are super powerful. I'm really excited to see what we'll get to build with them. Onward.